Here is I want to say it's a CEI Crest 42-inch ceiling fan that I got from Nathaniel Girding last October when I met up with him in Ohio. The blades are not original, they're off of a Caraway 42-inch spinner. The blades that were on this were just a plain wooden design, not real wood. It's more like particle board, almost junk wood. And this thing is pretty cool for what it is. It's cheap, but it has a startup sound to it, which is kind of uncommon for a ceiling fan. We'll start off on high. It's a pretty good air mover for what it is, surprisingly. Go to medium. For some fans, it's doing probably damn near high speed. Go to low. It does have a hum, but don't bother me. This fan reminds me of something out of an old trailer from a trailer park. I mean, that's where it did come from. I'll go off. Now the screws, I didn't have any motor screws, so I had to improvise. It takes the same screws as an SMC Emperor would. The late 80s models is the same kind of screws, or a first gen Hampton Bay Graton. Takes about that same size thread. And I had a couple of them around as some random screws, but the screws, some of them were too long, so I had to put a whole bunch of washers on them, which you can see there. It's ugly, but I like ugly. Well, anyway, that's it, and until next time.